Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
May I know your good name, please?
My name is Azra Sheikh.
Okay.
And
Where are you coming from?
I'm coming from Mazgaon.
Okay.
And I have known him and his grandfather. I was very young, I used to go to him. And since then I was trying to find out about them, and coincidentally I came to know, and then I came here.
Okay, so through whom you got this address?
It was one of his patients who had come here for treatment, and they recommended his name, and that's how when I came here, I recollected the whole past that I had with them.
Okay.
And my experience is that I came here with severe back spinal issues and severe knee issues. I sat when he diagnosed me perfectly, I can say 100%. He went to the root cause, and which was perfectly right. The root cause was told by him, and I was shocked. That was the first thing. I was impressed by his diagnosis.
Mm-hmm.
He found out other problems which I was not aware of, and I like his frankness. I like his honesty, sincerity. I think that's the reason why he has so much of shifa. In other words, that's how his treatment is healing people.
Mm-hmm.
Honestly speaking, he is not the commercial kind. What I have observed, because I have gone to many places for physiotherapies and other things. That's the best thing I like. Yeah, the toughest part of his treatment is waiting.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, we come here quite early, because I see, ever since I've come here, I've seen that there are people with so many difficulties. They come and sit for hours, and that's why even I don't want to push myself and get in through, I like to wait, to watch, to see, because this place is teaching me a lot of things. I'm experiencing a lot. Apart from that, but the wait is worth. Wait is worth it. When I go back after the treatment, I don't feel that yes, I wasted like 6 hours, 7 hours sitting here and waiting for the treatment.
Mm-hmm.
I feel that it has taught me so many things. I have seen so many things, and at the same time I'm improving my health.
True.
So this is the best part of it.
Okay. So, is there any medication or anything given over here?
No.
Injections or anything of that sort?
That's what I was coming to. There is no such medications or any kind of compositions given to you. That's the best part. The only thing he does is he holds your pulse, and then through his experience, I think he gets into your body and he picks up the problems. And that's the thing is, he goes personally. That's his one thing. It's not that he's having assistants who are doing his task. He's attending individual patient, going to him and or her and checking the pulse, and then fixing the points or detecting his problem, and then it's like one-on-one, and that's the best part. You feel so relaxed, and you feel there's a kind of a feel-good thing in you.
So, till date, how many therapies you have completed over here?
See, honestly speaking, this is just my sixth therapy. Sixth
Okay.
day, in fact, I will say. The
So-
first day was the diagnosis. After that, I took 3 sessions, and this is the 4th, and I think this is the 5th session today.
Okay. So,
And,
if I would ask you to rate, so how much percentage do you find that you're cured from your illness?
Honestly, if I could rate him, I would rate him like 100%, 110% out of 100. Because
Alhamdulillah.
I am satisfied with the treatments and the way I used to walk, and the way my activities have speeded up, my walk has changed, and that feel good thing and the confidence is coming back, or else I was feeling like I've aged before time.
True.
That's the best thing, alhamdulillah, that I have faced.
Would you like to convey some message to the peoples around you?
Yes, I would, because being a teacher and knowing education and knowing technology and knowing things, there is something called parallel medicine. People don't believe. That's the sad part. there are these old traditional methods. I think he has clubbed these traditional methods or traditional things that he got from his family. He has inherited it, and he is clubbing it with technology, and that he has merged it so well, and it is really benefiting and healing people. I would like to tell you all that, but there is parallel medicines other than the allopathy or other kind of medications that you all find. These medicines are, I mean, his work or his things are showing the results.
So, ma'am, I suppose you are 100% satisfied over your coming.
Yeah, I feel it's worth my time. I feel that I come here, no doubt I sit here for 3 hours or 4 hours waiting for my turn, but I feel it is worth it.
That's worth waiting.
Yeah, at the end it is really, when I go home I'm really relaxed. So I would recommend people honestly trust him. The first most important thing is when you go for a treatment, you need to have faith. Anything you do, you need to have faith, you need to have dedication.
Very true.
Follow what he's saying and stick to it, and you will truly see the results. I am seeing, because I love eating, I'm a foodie. He told me not to eat potatoes. Potatoes, I love potatoes, but since I have stopped, I have seen the improvement in myself, and gradually my body itself is not accepting it. It's like I feel that. So please have faith in what he's saying. Trust and faith is very important when you're going in for anything.
Yeah, if you have positive attitude, then only you can get cured also. Yeah. That's true.
Quick results, you may get quick results, but it will not stay. I think his principle is not quick results. His principle is long-term results, and that sustained. The healing is there with you. So I think that's the best part I like. And today I was telling him that can I go in for a fast treatment? He said, you don't need to go in. I'm not a commercial person. I would have told you yes. This was something that really touched my heart. And he said, no, you have a lot of money to waste. No need to go in for all that. Trust me and give me time accordingly. This was something amazing. This proved that he's not a commercial person.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving your valuable time.
You're welcome. Any time for him.
Assalamu alaikum.